Preview. Preview in which I share with all of you. In preview, we only take a one part out of 6 parts, and one part is conclusion part 1. 6 parts are like this. In the premium content we describe the transit, and then we describe conclusion part 1, and then I describe conclusion part 2, the task, precautions, chantings. These are all 6 parts. But in preview, I always present you conclusion part 1, and I always define you what are the negative side in the weekly horoscope and what are the effects can be. But if you want to take the preview, best of luck. But if you want like to enjoy the complete view, the full content, then you have to visit the website. But preview is, you can take this preview according to your moon sign as well as your rising sign. Choice is yours. In this coming week, Aries conclusion part 1 for all of you. In this coming week, you'll go through, may I say that, lot of uncertainties, hassles, fear, anxiety. Aries, in this coming week, your expenditure will be higher than your imagination, higher than your income. Aries, due to rivals, you will come across many obstacles, many hassles, many delays and complications. And after 27th of August, Aries, your extreme efforts will be rewarded. But you have to keep on concentrating and keep your focus on. Aries, you'll come across many financial and professional opportunities. But due to domestic complications, sometimes too many distractions from domestic life, you will be quite restless, very upset, and sometimes extremely disappointed. Aries, you've got to look after your romance, your relationship, your family life, your peace of mind, your harmony, your happiness. Aries, you've got to watch your word of speech and mannerism. And may I say, you've got to watch your expression. Sometimes too much foul temper is there, sometimes too much out of control behavior you're presenting, which you shouldn't. Health-wise, may I say that you have to look after your throat, your digestive system, your tummy. Any issue with blood, any issue with digestive system, any issue with bladder-related problem, urine-related problem, any issue with skin, please be careful. Aries, more you become active, creative, dynamic, more you will be rising, and more you become passive, giving up the confidence and losing the hope, more you will be done decline. Choice is yours. You have to do what you got to do what you need to do, and you have to wake up the giant from inside. Please. Aries, in this coming video to Ketu position in 8th house. Look after your health, digestive system. Any issue with your blood and urine, any issue with your large intestine. Look after your marriage relationship. Rahu's position in 2nd house. Look after your flow of income and your marriage relationship. Do not offend anybody with your sharp language of sharp mannerism. Venus position 6th house. Look after your marriage relationship or companionship. Saturn position 10th house. Watch your business decision, career decision, job decision. If you have any issue with your profession, career, you have to address it very delicately. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you the complete analysis of the whole week, weekly forecast that will give you complete analysis of the whole week. Complete analysis of the whole week define you, your moon's transit for the whole week. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decision choices, health, harmony, happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must implement in your routine to save your skin. What sacred chanting you should exercise in whole 7 days in order to accomplish your goal. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Taurus conclusion part 1 for this coming week. In this coming week, conclusion part 1, you'll be very much tensed, upset, very disappointed. Due to your romance, due to your family relationship, sometime you can be all over the place, Taurus. This coming week is like that. This coming week is going to test your fiber, your patience, your ability, your knowledge, your skill set. Taurus, you'll carry lots of secret financial tensions. Sometimes a lot of secret financial disappointments. Too much frustration. Taurus, with your extreme efforts, you have to keep up your efforts. Your efforts will be handsomely rewarded. Taurus, in this coming week, you'll be highly active, creative and dynamic. By the weekend, you will be suffering due to headaches, eye infection, and may I say that sometimes skin-related problems. Taurus, refrain from any kind of combining ego and aggression. Don't bother with too much ego and aggression, please. And don't combining these two elements, please. Whatever you do, wherever you are, you have to make sure that you do not initiate any argument or conflict with anybody. Please. This is a discipline. If there are any developed misunderstanding or sourness in your relationship, personal relationship, professional relationship, you must sort it out as soon as possible. Please. Taurus, due to Ketu position 7th house, look after your marriage relationship, look after your business relationship, beware of any kind of developed misunderstanding or fluctuation in your relationship or any kind of sourness develop in the relationship. Rahu's position 1st house, beware of investing too much ego in your decision choices. Sun, Mars, Mercury in 4th house, beware of fine, penalty, punishment, beware of any kind of a professional arguments, conflict, beware of any kind of foul temper and aggression. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit. That will define your vision, imagination, your decision choices, your health, harmony, happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report to define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin, what chanting you must exercise in the whole 7 days in order to accomplish your goal. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Gemini weekly conclusion part 1. Gemini, in this coming week, you will come across lots of income resources, unique opportunities. You can be all over the place. Your hard work will pay you back in the form of income resources. There will be sudden financial gain, but you got to watch your financial transactions. There will be sudden achievements, but you got to watch your steps, and you got to be very careful about your dealings. Gemini, your expenditure will be sky high. By the weekend, you will come across a lot of dignified achievements, financial gain, but you will need the family support in order to accomplish all these kind of opportunities and make these opportunities very worthwhile. You have to be very careful, Gemini, in money matters regarding speculation or investing money. You have to watch your savings. You have to be careful about your money. And you have to make sure that you got to refrain from any kind of a unnecessary financial commitment. Don't get carried away. And you have to watch your debts and spendings. Due to Saturn position in 8th house, look after your health, look after your marriage, look after your well-being. Rahu's position in 12th house, beware of fine, penalty, punishment, beware of unexpected losses, beware of cheating, deception, fraud. Ketu position in 6th house, keep a close eye on your enemies, please. And Sun, Mars, Mercury in 3rd house, watch your communication with the world around you. More you improve your communication, more you achieve. You might need a complete weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. Whole week's analysis define you, your moon's transit, that will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must exercise in the whole week in order to accomplish your success, what chanting you should exercise in the 7 days in order to accomplish your dignified achievements or your goal. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Cancerian weekly conclusion for this coming week. Conclusion part 1 for Cancerian. Cancerian, in this coming week, your past efforts will be handsomely rewarded. Your hard work and determination will bring you accomplishments. Due to foreign contacts, you will achieve financial gain and support. You will be participating in a lot of social events, religious events. Your income resources will be rising, so is your expenditure will be at the same time. You have to be very careful about your health and well-being. There will be fruitless running around, unnecessary tensions, restlessness, and sometimes lack of satisfaction. Cancerian, improve your communication with people around you. Try to improve your word of speech and mannerism. That's the only way you will be able to overcome your limitations. Refrain from any kind of any issue linked with higher authorities. If you're dealing with legal authority or any decision maker, you have to be extra careful. If you're dealing with custom and excise, court, police, or investigating authority, you have to be very extra careful, please. Due to Saturn position in 7th house, watch your communication personally or professionally. Moon Jupiter in 8th house, look after your marriage relationship. Look after your personal happiness. Sun, Mars, Mercury in 2nd house, watch your flow of income. Watch your communication with the world around you. Ketu position 5th house, do look after your health and well-being regarding your tummy. Rahu's position 11th house, look after your relationship with higher authority or decision maker. Where any issue linked with higher authority or decision maker out of the blue, you have to sort it out. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. Complete analysis of the whole week, define your moon's transit. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report for define you. Extensive weekly, what astrological task you must do in the time of your need. What precaution you must implement to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise in the whole week in order to accomplish your dignified success, prosperity and rising. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Leo weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1. Leo, in this coming week, with your hard work, efforts and running around, you will be able to accomplish your goals. If you are in any business partnership, then kindly not to overestimate your expectations. Professionally, you'll go through major fluctuations. Please beware of any technical issues in your profession. By the weekend, you will be very much busy, but sometimes you can be very much restless and some of your focus concentration can be all over the place. You have to take care of your health and well-being. Your presentation organizing ability will be the most required whenever you feel stuck. You have to be very careful and you have to keep up your efforts. More you are driven, more you are focused, more your concentration is there, more you will be able to resolve a lot of your hassles and problems and more you become achiever. In this coming week, due to Ketu position in 4th house, sometimes your focus and concentration will not be there. You can be all over the place. Saturn position in 6th house, sometimes life can be like a traffic jam. Nothing is moving. And Rahu's position in 10th house, look after your relationship with higher authorities. Beware of any kind of a technical obstacle in your profession. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from our website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must exercise in the 7 days in order to save your skin, what sacred chanting you can exercise in 7 days in order to accomplish your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Virgo weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Virgo. In this coming week, your income will be low and expenditure can be sky high. Virgo, there will be rise in status, prestige and honor. You'll come across lots of financial and professional opportunities. You got to be highly active, creative, and dynamic in order to achieve your maximum benefits. Your expenditure will be sky high, Virgo, so be extra careful about your financial dealing and financial commitment. Virgo, you got to handle all your personal and professional affairs and issues very, very carefully. You have to watch your decisions and choices. Health-wise, do take care of your back, do take care of your joints. In this coming week, due to Jupiter Moon in 6th house, look after your health and well-being, look after your financial backing. Saturn position in 5th house, do watch your creativity, do watch your decisions and choices. Sun, Mars, Mercury in 12th house, watch your financial backing, beware of fine, penalty, punishment from higher authorities. Rahu's position in 9th house, may I say this time period, do take your blessings from elders. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. It will define your moon's transit effect. Moon's transit effect define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Our extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the whole 7 days in order to accomplish your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Libra weekly conclusion part 1. Libra, in this coming week, you'll come across lots of income resources, financial opportunities, but your expenditure can be sky high. Libra, lots of your problem will be resolved, done and dusted. You will get the support and guidance. And in any foreign project, you will first come across many issues, technical issues and technical hiccups. Then later on, everything will be back on track regarding your foreign projects. There will be rise in laziness, and sometimes health can be an issue. Your expenditure can be sky high. You have to control your temper and your presentation. Try not to be overexcited in your presentation. More you become excited, hasty, more you'll be able to ruin something very important and very decent. You got to be on alert, on guard, whatever you want to accomplish, whatever you want to achieve and do. Libra, due to Rahu's position in 8th house, sometimes luck will not support you. Sometimes things are slipping away from your hand. Sometimes decline in luck will be there. Sometimes you go through unexpected obstacle, delays, waste of time. Ketu position in 2nd house. Watch your word of speech, watch your flow of income, watch your debts. Saturn position in 4th house. Sometimes focus, concentration will not be there. You can be highly disappointed and sometimes very much worried and upset. Venus position in 12th house. Watch your debts, watch your expenditure. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. Whole week's analysis define your moon's transit. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement to save your skin, and what chanting you must exercise in whole 7 days in order to accomplish your goal, in order to find out exactly what you've been achieving, in order to achieve your supremacy, for that help of chanting. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Scorpio weekly conclusion part 1. In this coming week, Scorpio, circumstances will improve a lot. With your dark determination and drive, you will be able to resolve a lot of your problems and complications. You got to be extra careful regarding your expression, behavior, word of speech, dealing, mingling. Whenever you will be dealing with decision makers and higher authorities, you have to be extra careful. Scorpio, you will be participating in a lot of social events, religious events, mingling with a lot of people. Your financial gain will come from abroad. You have a foreign contract which will offer you some kind of a project or commitment or some kind of a contract or payment towards you what you want to achieve. You got to make it this time most productive. That's the only way forward. Do not waste your time, this particular time. You have to make sure that this time become more productive for you. This time can be very precious and it can offer you great rewards. Due to Ketu position in first house, if you want thinking seriously to create a change in your job, profession, or make a biggest move, or go move on somewhere else, think thoroughly. Rahu's position in 7th house. Look after your marriage relationship, look after your joint venture. If there's any development understanding between you and your life partner, between you and the people around you, or at workplace or at home, you got to sort it out properly. Sun, Mars, Mercury in 10th house. Watch your professional decisions and choices, please. Saturn position in 3rd house. Look after your communication with the world around you. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrology.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. Whole week's analysis define you your moon's transit. Moon's transit define you your vision, your imagination, your decision, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Our extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in your routine to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the whole 7 days in order to accomplish your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrology.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Sagittarius, weekly conclusions for this coming week. Conclusion part 1, Sagittarius. In this coming week, you'll be blessed with income resources, financial opportunities. You'll be participating in a lot of social events, religious events. You'll make lots of plannings and developing a lot of new ideas for new venture, new projects. Sagittarius, your foreign project will be accomplished and successful. You have to watch your aggression, you have to watch your ego, you have to watch your word of speech, you have to take care of your health as well at the same time. Beware of any unnecessary tensions, domestic arguments, conflicts, accidents. Your mind can be restless and sometimes you can be all over the place. You have to be extra cautious and careful. Sagittarius, due to settled position in 2nd house, look after your flow of income, look after your debts. Ketu position 12th house. If you are thinking to make any move, think thoroughly. Rahu's position 6th house. Look after your health regarding any issue with your feet or legs or urine or bladder. Think thoroughly. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. Whole week's analysis define you your moon's transit. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decision, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness in this coming week. Our extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you can do or you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must implement to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise in the whole 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrology.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Capricorn weekly conclusion part 1. In this coming week, your health can be under the weather, under a lot of stress. But with your foreign project, you will be uplifted. Your foreign project will be achieved. It will offer you handsome rewards, success, prosperity rising. And your confidence will be uplifted in this coming week. You will go through lots of obstacles, sometimes delays and complications in order to complete your important project. Sometimes you will feel that everybody is in your way. Everybody wants to test your fiber, your patience, your tolerance, your humility. There will be exchange of best news. Congratulations. By the weekend, you must look after your relationship and with your higher authorities or decision makers. Please beware of any legal or official argument or conflict with anybody. With your wisdom, common sense, applied wisdom and determination, drive, hard work, you can achieve dignified opportunities, dignified status, prestige and honor. Capricorn, due to Ketu position in 11th house, you'll come across lots of income resources, financial opportunities. Rahu's position in 5th house. Do watch your decision, do watch your relationship with your decision maker, with higher authorities. Do watch your mannerism with your decision makers, with your higher authorities. Sun, Mercury, Mars in 8th house. Watch your temper, watch your word of speech, watch your conduct and action. Sometimes you will be left alone. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. Whole week's analysis define your moon's transit. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of need, what precautions you must implement to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in order to accomplish your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Aquarius, conclusion part 1 for the coming week, the conclusion for this week, conclusion part 1, Aquarius. In this coming week, your spending will be on fruitless things. You got to put extreme effort for your gain, success, prosperities. Aquarius, you will have a conflict with your nearest or dearest one, sometime with your partner, sometime your old partner, sometime with your colleagues. Please refrain from totally unnecessary arguments or conflict with anybody whatsoever. You got to be on alert. Mentally, you will be restless and you got to get a grip. Beware of any kind of a trap. You got to take control of yourself. But with your aggression and overreaction in any situation, you'll end up in a losing control. You can be in a thick soup if you don't control yourself. Please be careful. You're involved in new projects, new ventures, new ideas at the same time. But sometime you'll come across lots of situations on the table, lot of difficulties, and sometimes you need to separate. There are complications, there are opportunities. You have to separate these two together. And you got to put the complication on one side, opportunities on one side. You have to take, may I say, you have to organize yourself more better way. In order to take a proper decision, you have to consider a lot. You'll end up creating a lot of new projects, new ventures, new ideas. A lot of opportunities are coming along, no doubt about it. But you got to make sure that you keep the opportunity separate from the conflicts and arguments or issues. Don't mix them together. Otherwise, you'll be confused what is what. And you got to make sure that you have to organize your routine, your day. And you got to achieve the best out of the day. Please. Ketu position in 10th house. You'll go through a lot of professional fluctuations. Rahu's position in 4th house. Sometimes peace of mind, happiness, concentration will not be there. Sometimes you'll be quite worried and tense and upset. Saturn position in 12th house. And sometimes you'll be out of comfort zone. You have to run around quite a lot. Sun, Mars, Mercury in 7th house. Look after your relationship, marriage relationship. Look after any relationship with which involved as a joint venture. You might need a complete weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit. That will define your vision, your imagination, your health, your harmony, your happiness. That will define your decision choices and everything. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you can do in the time of need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you can exercise in 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Pisces weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Pisces. In this coming week, you'll put extreme efforts and running around. Your efforts will be handsomely rewarded in the form of income sources. You go through lots of professional financial fluctuations. After 27th August, there will be delays and stumbling blocks. You got to look after your family health, mental health, physical health, both. There will be fruitless running around. Sometimes unnecessary arguments, conflicts, fear, anxiety. You have to be very careful. You got to refresh your vision, your imaginations, and you got to build up your drive, determination, motivation for your long-term success, prosperities. You have to change your tactics. You have to try to exercise more patience and tolerance. Try to listen to everybody, what they're talking about. Then present your strategy. And don't be hasty and do not overreact in any situation. Listen to everything and then think thoroughly what you need to do in the best possible way. Yes. Due to Jupiter Moon position in 12th house, beware of financial losses. Beware of third-party influences in your family life. Beware of any kind of unexpected expenditures. Sun, Mars, Mercury in 6th house. Do watch your decisions and choices. Rahu position in 3rd house. Do watch your communication with world around you. Saturn position 11th house. You'll come across a lot of financial opportunities, but all depend on your attitude. You must take care of your financial commitment. You must beware of any kind of a fruitless investment. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decision, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you should exercise in your 7 days to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise in 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.